In today's video, I will walk you through how to view your login history on WhiteBIT. Your login history allows you to review recent access to your WhiteBIT account. It's a useful security feature that helps you verify when and where your account has been accessed and identify any login attempts you don't recognize. To get started, access your WhiteBIT account and open your profile menu. From there, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Once you're in the security section, look for the login history section. Select it to open a record of recent sign-ins associated with your account. On the login history page, you'll see a list of your recent login sessions. Each entry typically includes information such as the date and time of the login, the device or browser that was used, the IP address, and the approximate location of the login attempt. If you notice a login from an unfamiliar device, an unexpected location, or a time when you know you weren't using your account, you should investigate further. Reviewing your login history regularly is one of the easiest ways to spot suspicious account activity early. Checking your login history periodically is a simple habit that can improve the security of your account and help you stay aware of how and where your account is being accessed. And that's how to view your login history on WhiteBIT.